On charges for the younger teen apparently involved in the death of a Dixie County teen, Demiah Appling.
TV20's Ruel Flood joins us now in the studio. Ruel, we know about Waymore Gerhardt's charges, but what about the other 15-year-old connected to Demiah's death?
Well, Dave, the 15-year-old who was found and arrested before Waymore Gerhardt last month is in fact facing a charge of tampering with evidence. Although court records continue to show that a grand jury declined to prosecute the teen on the charge of tampering. State Attorney John Durrett tells TV20 the grand jury didn't need to, and he'll be prosecuted on that charge still. The grand jury has indicted 19-year-old Gerhardt for first-degree murder in the killing of Demiah, who disappeared from Old Town in mid-October. Without the indictment, Gerhardt faced second-degree murder without premeditation charges, and Gerhardt's arraignment is still set for March 1st. Reporting in the studio, Ruel Flood, TV20 News.